5 tips to stop snoring now. There are many products on the market that help you stop snoring. Some are good and work better than others. I have listed here 5 tips to stop snoring, and you should be able to see fast results if you implement them into your daily routine. Some of these tips can be hard to do, but if you want to see these results happen quickly, you will need to do them. Tips 1. Lose weight. Extra poundage around your neck makes your airway even more lax and narrow. There is nothing good about being an overweight. It causes several health risks and of course, it causes that loud noise you create while asleep. I know this is easier said than done, but it will really help quiet that snoring sound as you sleep. Tips 2. Sleep on your side. Breathing passages are clearer when a person sleeps on their side. When you sleep on your back, gravity pulls your tongue back and this causes vibration, which in turn causes that snoring sound. Doing this will naturally lessen and even stop snoring altogether. Tips 3. Stop drinking alcohol. Alcohol is a depressant that travels through all areas of the body and slows your brain's response mechanism. This can exacerbate your snoring problem. Tips 4. Quit smoking cigarettes. Cigarette smoking causes blockage on the small vessels of the lungs and swelling of the tissue in the throat and mucous membrane in the nose. This irritation can cause a person to snore. Tips 5. Elevate your head. When you sleep with your head raised just a little bit, it will lower your jaw and your tongue won't fall back into your throat as you sleep. Prop your pillow back against your headboard, and this will keep your head elevated enough so you will stop snoring.
So, do you think this video is useful? Please share this video with your friends. Do you really want to treat your sleep apnea with proven methods? Safe and natural techniques? Click the link in description below to learn the proven method on how to treat your sleep apnea. Click the link now.